Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike, and look, we've got another bag. The resistance cannot be helped. I had to get one. I feel like I need the whole collection. So, yeah, this I actually got a few weeks ago, but it's just been sitting on the sofa waiting to be filmed and totally forgot about it. So, in here is a super beauty one, and I was in there and I was looking like behind the other bags, and that's where I found it. So don't necessarily assume that the first bag is going to be full of that same bag. It's all different, and this one's a really beautiful one. Look at that! Isn't it gorgeous? It is one of my favourite insects of all time, the bumblebee. Yes, absolutely gorgeous. And as you can see, he's got these lovely blue wings here. He's got even some flowers. They've actually decorated him with some flowers on there to give that sort of look, you know, where they collect Holland, oh my god, you know, where I've actually been to Holland, but on sea, not Holland the country. But I've actually yeah, really enjoyed this, and it's got like little sunflowers on there. I only had the one of these, so I was like, that's coming home with me right now. If I didn't get it, I just knew I would have regretted it. But as you can see here, absolutely gorgeous. I think these may be the little pollen baskets that they normally carry on their back leg. Having said that, it could be these parts here, but I just love the way they've incorporated flowers on it as well. The red one looks pretty cool, and it's just a beautiful bag, isn't it? I mean, look at the eyes here. We've got the eyes all done, and then that sort of weaving of the veins of the, because these would be like little veins that feed blood into the wing and stuff like that. And it's lovely how these two are different from these flowers here, and they've sort of matched it with 3 different flowers just to bring out a bit more colour. I could not say no to this. This was absolutely gorgeous. If you want to get these do retail at £3.99, or if you're abroad, €5.20. So let's get into the bag itself and see what we got inside. So we'll put the bag here down to one side, and as you can see, this is a fabulous pack. I don't keep the tweezers, as you know. They're very cheaply made, so I don't keep them. But the bags are absolutely fantastic. You can never have enough bags in there. They've whacked yourself a little wax in there, and you've also got a nice ping. And it's nice that Art Studio are listening. As you know, we are fed up with keep getting these green trays, so to finally have another colour is just beautiful. And I feel like I'm collecting pink now and phasing out the green ones, so I will keep the green trays until they get like battered up and stuff, and perhaps develop cracks in years to come. I don't know, but yeah, I will slowly probably phase them out and replace them all with pink. I used to phase them out and bring in like white ones. So yeah, it is like really you know, nice with the colour choice. I think a neon blue would be nice. But anyway, let's crack on. And in here, I thought we would have got some APs, but these look like rhinestones. So we've got a wasabi pink, a wasabi green there, a very beautiful neon pink. We've got ourselves a sort of butterscotchy orange colour, a very neon blue, that sort of colour for a tray, you know, that would be lovely. A light blue pen, which probably matches my, yeah, near enough. We've got an orange there, and another blue, a sort of banana colour here, and a brown, and a lovely bright yellow, a grey, a lovely white, and a black. So yes, I couldn't resist getting another bag. I do not know what I'm going to do with all these yet, but yeah, they come in handy, that's for sure. But yeah, I mean, you could, if you wanted to, like, get yourself, like, say like you were diamond painting, but you pop into your friends, you could get yourself like your little boxes here, and then perhaps put it in the bag to take home. You can get yourself like a, for example, let's see here, you can get yourself like a diamond painting like this, pop it in the bag as well, and you see you've got like a lovely transportation for your drills in your bag. Pop it on your shoulder and away you go, you know. But yeah, I'll get them out, because otherwise I'll forget they're in there. And yeah, but there's so much you can do with these bags. Absolutely fantastic. I really am thinking about getting the cat. I was going to not buy the cat because I've got so much cat stuff, but stick is a little bit weak, but other than that, really happy with that. So if you want to get this for yourself, as I said, they retail at $3.99. You can get them online or in the shop, but tend to be careful with online because it's like a mix and match, so you don't know which one you're going to get, so you're always best to go in the shop. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and if you haven't done so already, please tap that big red subscribe button in the corner of the video and tap that big old ring-a-ding-dong bell so that you can start it out with all the diamond painting action on this channel. Until then, have a lovely evening. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.